Hi, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Elizabeth.
We are intellectually gifted teachers from Mississippi. We have brought our students to Disney Imagination Campus 4 times since 2018. And they look forward to this from 2nd grade to we bring them here in 5th grade.
Yeah. I think teachers are always looking for a way to ignite learning or different ways to bring the classroom to something new and exciting and engaging. They spend so much time sitting down in a classroom that when you come to Disney and you actually experience it, they have taken it to a whole new level. They're not going to remember when they learned division or who taught them division, but they're always going to remember using Newton's laws of motion or levers and pulleys that they saw incorporated into these rides at Disney.
You know, a lot of people look at it like this is just an amusement park, and that's not what it is. Disney's has so many educational experiences that a lot of people just don't realize. It's like no other field trip you could ever take your students on. The things that they get to experience here at this campus and at all of the parks, you could not do anywhere else. A lot of our students that come with us, they would never get an experience like this or even get to come on vacation, you know, with their own parents without this opportunity.
We use it as an extension of our curriculum and lesson plans. We build background knowledge in roller coasters, fairy tales, and storytelling before we ever even come. Then we go back and we build on what they learned here. So then we talk about sustainability of the environment, the difference in pneumatic and hydraulic animatronics. So our students design the roller coasters using the background knowledge that they've gained in our classroom, and then they present it to the welding students in high school who are able to use their trade to create the roller coasters out of steel.
The hours that the students spend in the classroom learning concepts and the teachers we spend teaching them, they get to actually come here and experience them firsthand. I feel like a lot of teachers, to plan this experience, may look at it like it's very daunting, like it's a gigantic place and how could you ever do a field trip there? Well, Disney Imagination Campus makes it so easy. They stay with you through every step of the process, from booking the rooms to booking the experiences. It's probably the easiest field trip that I've ever planned. And if you're not comfortable like planning it yourself, you could always go through a travel agent that does group travel, and then they do everything for you. You just tell them what classes you would like to do and they book everything for you. It is a lot easier than you think.
Once you start showing your school community what the purpose of Disney Imagination Campus is and what it's going to do for your students, you're going to have a lot of support and have a lot of people who will help you get to this point. And I think when we can find learning in the world around us, it really sparks that creativity that people so desperately need in the workforce, in our society as a whole, that we struggle to truly teach. It's not something you can get out of a textbook. So when we can add to that enjoyment, then the kids really start to see how fun learning can be.